Here's my Bitcoin balance now. How I made all this? Let me show you in the next 10 minutes. Hey guys, I hope you're ready for a life-changing video because today I'm going to show you a simple way to make $500 daily in Bitcoin. This doesn't require any trading or any kind of investment, only you, your free time and a smartphone or a laptop. These websites aren't geo-restricted, so you can do this method anywhere in the world. But guys, I'm going to share a few secrets throughout the video which will maximize your profits, so make sure to pay close attention and do not skip any parts. So guys, make sure to stick around until the end and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and also subscribe to the channel because we are regularly uploading new videos about how you can make money online. Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple. The first thing I want you guys to do is set up your Bitcoin wallet, and this is very simple. There are a few ways you can do this, but first one would be connecting to Coinbase.com and setting up your Bitcoin wallet for absolutely free here. Or you can also go over to blockchain.com and do the same thing, and basically all you have to do is simply click on Get Started, and this will redirect you to a form where you can simply enter in your credentials and you're all set. The process is completely free, so you don't have to invest anything in it, but if you cannot decide which Bitcoin wallet is the most suitable one for you, then you can go over to bitcoin.org and click on Choose Your Wallet. And these guys have got a form here that you can complete in order to see which wallet is the most appropriate for you. But whatever option you choose doesn't really matter. As long as you have a Bitcoin wallet, you are good to go. And we can move on to the second step, and this will be the one that is going to help us set this process on complete autopilot so that it generates money for us passively. And that would be through connecting to a few different websites in order to automate this process. The first one of these websites is called faucetpay.io, so I want you guys to connect to this website. This is necessary in order to implement my strategy correctly. Otherwise, it may not work or you may not generate maximum results for you. And once you're here, all that is left for you to do is simply click on the sign up button over here. You need to make sure to enter in your correct credentials here, so a username, email address that you are currently using, because they are going to send you a validation or a confirmation link, however you want to call it, and if you don't click on that link, they will not validate your account and you will not be able to use their website. And once you're done with that, the next website you need to connect to is called expresscrypto.io. This is also a necessity for implementing our strategy correctly. So you will have to sign up by simply clicking on this button in the top corner over here. You click on that and do the same thing over again. Enter in your credentials, username, email, and again make sure the email is valid, and you're all set. And now if you did everything correctly, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. And if you go to earn Bitcoin over here, you can click on that balance. But as you can see, we don't have no Bitcoin address. And that is precisely why I asked you to make one on Coinbase or blockchain or some other ones, because we need it. Now we can click on wallet address, and you can paste your Bitcoin address over here. It will look like some random characters, but trust me, it isn't. So make sure you paste that correctly. So what we did, we basically made our Bitcoin addresses so we can use them in order to link them to our Express Crypto account and also Faucet Pay account. You need to do that because otherwise you will not be able to withdraw your money and take advantage of the huge potential that this method has. But I really want you guys to understand how this process works. So basically, the websites that we have just connected to Faucet Pay and Express Crypto are going to help us to automate the process, because we're going to link our Bitcoin wallet address to this website in order to receive money passively without our active confirmation, without having to worry about the process at all. And guys, as we speak, the price of Bitcoin is currently close to $40,000, and it is always on the rise, and I believe that this is the perfect moment to start earning Bitcoin. And if you follow my advice and watch this video very carefully, then you will have all the steps, all the instructions you need in order to set up an automated process that will allow you to make some considerable amounts of money in Bitcoin. We're now moving on to the third step, and this is the one where I'm going to reveal the websites that are going to generate money for us passively. But before that, I have to make a disclaimer, guys. If you skip this video and connect to the website and try to figure it out on your own, it is going to be quite difficult because you might get lost in the process and give up too early. I don't want you to end up there, so I'm going to walk you through the process. I just need you to be patient. Having that in mind, the next website I need you to connect to is called autofaucet.ecorp.space. So make sure you type in the correct name. The second one is called autofaucet.org, and the third one autoclaim.in. These are all very powerful pieces of software that are going to help us in our initiative today to make money online. So as you might expect, the first thing I want you guys to do is simply register to all of these websites, and after you've done so, we can move on. Now, you will have to verify your email. As I mentioned before, you will need to click on the validation link, and eventually, if you do everything correctly, this is how the homepage is going to look like on this website. And now, in order to set up this process, you will have to scroll down a bit and select a few options here. So at this point, you should already have an Express Crypto account, and that is precisely why I asked you to register there and sign up, because we need it on this website in order to start generating money. So if you have one, simply select Express Crypto mode here, and we can move on to this section where we can choose what currency we want to receive. So as you can see, you have a lot of cryptocurrencies here, many different ones that you can choose from, but I personally prefer Bitcoin. As you can see, it's on the rise now, so I'm going to select that option over there. After that, you will have to complete this simple CAPTCHA over here and click on Start Auto Faucet. So let's actually do that right now. I hope that does the job. So let's see where this sends us. So this is how the panel is going to look like. You're going to make money, basically get Bitcoin every 2 minutes. And the major advantage is that you don't have to come back to the website every 2 minutes and collect your earnings, because your account is connected to expresscrypto.io, so that feature alone will save you a lot of time. Now, the last two websites, which are called autofaucet.org and autoclaim.in, are basically the same. They are very similar in concept and they work the same. As you can see, even the homepage looks very similar. So I'm going to walk you through the process for AutoFaucet here, and it will be the same for AutoClaim. Once you have logged into your account, you should be able to see your dashboard, and you will have a lot of options here in this menu on the left hand side. But the concept here is a little bit more different than the previous one. More precisely, you will need to earn these points and you will get tokens for them. And how you do that? Well, it's very simple. Basically, you go over to the daily bonus section or offer walls or short links, and you will watch ads, you will complete surveys and so on, and that will give you tokens that you can use in order to mine Bitcoin. Once you have a certain amount of tokens that you're satisfied with, you can simply let this process run in the background and not worry about it at all. But a major factor here, something that is really important, is that you keep your browser on. So don't close your browser and expect the websites to do the job for you, because they won't. You need to let them run in the background, and that is going to earn money for you. As mentioned, you have to do the same thing for autoclaim.in, and that is going to add some more money into your Bitcoin wallet. You need to start monetizing your time online, guys. You have your spare time, and that's all you need. That being said, I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and please remember to take action, work hard, and I will see you next time.